Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Ida. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to turn this hair into this beautiful flexi rod set on wet hair. So if you're interested, stay tuned. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to add some water into my hair, and then I'm going to go ahead and add this Aunt Jackie's detangler. And it's kind of like a leave-in conditioner, but it also really helps to detangle your hair very easily. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that to my damp hair. So I'm going to go ahead with my wide tooth comb to go ahead and detangle my hair. And I'm telling you guys, this product actually really does help detangle your hair much easier. And then I'm going to go ahead and seal that in with the Aunt Jackie's Curl La La. My first time using it, and I actually absolutely loved the results so much. It actually made my hair feel so much more moisturized, and it held the Flexi Curl rods so much better into my hair. So I'm going to go ahead with the denim brush and smooth my hair out, and then go ahead with the foaming mousse. This foaming mousse is so good because not only does it help you hold your style a lot longer, it also helps kind of smooth in the flexi rod so that your hair stays on the flexi rod. And it's like the only foaming mousse that actually does not make my hair feel dry at all. I'm going to go row by row and go ahead with medium to small size sections, and I'm going to start off with a purple flexi rod, and I just go ahead and just wrap my hair around, and when I get to the ends I kind of brush it out with my fingers or a brush just to make sure it's smooth, because if you don't smooth it out properly then you're going to have really frizzy ends when you take them out. And I'm just going to go ahead and proceed. So there are going to be 2 flexi rods on the bottom, and then I'm going to go row by row, and I am mixing it up with smaller flexi rods as well, just because I like to have different size curls throughout my head. I noticed that it gives my hair much more volume and the curls don't really stick together too much. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do right now, and go ahead and keep watching. Altogether, I used 16 smaller orange flexi rods and then 4 purple flexi rods. So I kind of want to use all orange ones next time because I like the curls a little bit better. And also I'm going to make sure to not use such big sections for the ones I use for the purple ones, because it was so much harder for my hair to dry and I got less curl definition. And when I get to the front sections of my hair, I always make sure to get the curls to go more forward, and that's what I do with perm rods and flexi rods, because I like to wear my hair in Afro style where my curls are framing my face and just kind of using it as bangs. And so that's what I do. So it's really important to kind of set your hair the way you want it to look once you unravel the flexi rods. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like after it's all done, and I had to air dry my hair, and it was basically 2 days. And I'm so mad that I found out that a couple of these pieces were still wet, because I don't have my hooded hair dryer because I did move and I wasn't able to bring it with me. So I am looking to buy another one, because you cannot do these hairstyles, you guys, without a hooded dryer or some sort of heat, because it takes way too long to dry, especially if you have like thicker hair. But that's why I like doing these styles on blow dried hair, because it only takes me like a day and a half maximum to dry my hair. But I like that you don't have to use heat. Your hair just feels more moisturized, and I feel like these curls last a lot longer when you do it on wet hair. Okay, so once I'm done taking down my flexi rods, I'm going to go ahead and separate them, but I'm going to lightly oil my hands first with just any light oil I have on hand. This is going to help to reduce and minimize the frizz. And then so that's what I'm going to do right now, and then you're going to see me fluff out my hair as much as possible, because I like my hair super big and just with a whole bunch of volume. So minus the bottom part for not drying fully and for using too big of a sections, I loved the way this hairstyle turned out so much. Sometimes when I do this hairstyle on blowout hair, the curls are just more perfect and more uniform with like less frizz, and sometimes it can look too like roller set kind of look. And so I kind of really like this hairstyle as well, because it just kind of looks more natural. And so let me know in the comments below what you guys think so far. Have you guys ever used Aunt Jackie's products? What do you guys think about them? I'm so loving the way my hair has been turning out lately with using their products. And then I'm going to go ahead and put my hair up just to give you guys 2 different looks, because this is kind of what I do after a couple of days of me wearing a flexi rod, or sometimes if I don't like the way my hair turned out, I'll just put it up right away. And so thank you guys so much for watching. Like always, if you guys like my video, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.